hi, Mama. Adult. Okay. Hello. Let's get up. I don't want to get my hands on Sandy. Woo. Let's go to the water. Hi. Look at her in her beanie.
Living the dream.
She's a hippie.
I'm a hippie.
She's a hippie for the day.
Hippie on the beach.
There is. Get out there. I don't know what they're doing. Ooh, water. Woo. This water feels so good.
We are so
What?
The waves knocked me down and I went nose plant. It's quite funny. Nobody saw it but Debbie.
Only Debbie. Who's on her phone? Yeah. Woo. Yeah. So. Hi.
What are you doing?
Nolan's playing Clash of Clans.
Elijah, you just made it stop recording. My point.
Mom's doing some weird stuff. I don't know.
It is?
Yeah.
Idiot?
Yeah. There's Woodrow.
Sorry about the last video because my brother really did.
On purpose.
Hopefully we are. Yeah, we're back.
No, you're not.
Oh God, my God. Ah. So much. Hey, don't get me on.
It's just funny to watch your reaction, buddy.
Hey, don't get me on video. I'll get you on video.
Look, she looks good now.
Rock on.
Rock on, suckers. Okay.
Hey.
Well, where are we going to eat again?
I'm gonna take
A
a
barbecue
picture.
place?
That is the trash can. Like a bunch of weirdos.
I don't know what Nathan's doing. Nobody does.
No one wants to be a Mobile Bay Bear.
A Mobile Bay Bear? What?
Mobile Bay Bear.
Bay Bear?
They never say it. They never say it that fast. A Mobile Bay Bear.
A Mobile Bay Bear.
Who do you play for?
I'm getting like burnt or something on my face.
You know how hot it was today with the heat index?
What?
94.
94
You
today.
didn't feel it.
Not bad. Not bad. Was it bad, Nolan?
When we was out on the lawn.
Get me off your stupid videos, Austin. Nobody even watches them.